Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Phonics Time with Mrs. Anaya. This week, we're going to go over the sound. Can you say that with me? Say Very good. Now, you can hear the sound in the middle of book. Watch me catch book. Book. B. Is in the middle. Can you say that with me? Say 3 times. Watch me catch it again. Book. B. K. Is in the middle. Now, who makes the sound? Well, O makes the sound. O and O together make Now, when we code it, we are going to put a brev on top. So again, what sound does O make? What will we code on top of it? A brev. Good job. Let's get started on our first word. Our first word is foot. Catch the word foot with me. Foot. How many sounds do you hear? 3. Where do you hear the sound? Well, I hear it in the middle. So I'm going to put the sound in the middle. And I know that is made by O. And what goes on top? A brev. Good job. Now all I have to do is figure out the first sound and the last sound. So foot. That tells me that the letter that makes the sound is F, and the letter that makes the T sound is T. Foot. Now all I have to do is break it into its component parts. T. Foot. Very good. Our next word is, you do this with your eyes, look. Catch the word look with me. Look. I hear that sound. How many sounds is that in look? 3. Where do you hear the sound, boys and girls? Where do you hear it? In the middle. It's in the middle. Who makes the sound? So go ahead and put that down. And what do we code it with? A brev. Now, we have to just fill in the first and last sound, the beginning and the ending sound. So what's the beginning sound in look? What letter makes that sound? L. And what makes the k sound at the end? A K. Break it into its component parts. K. And then I'll read it. Look. Very good. Now go ahead and grab your whiteboard and marker so we could do a couple together. Oh, look at this. What am I doing in this picture? I like to what? Cook. Catch cook. Cook. Okay, now put your line down. Put another line down. Put another line down. So how many sounds do we have? 3. Now pause this. Well, no, don't pause this video yet. Where do you hear the sound? In the middle. Okay, now pause this video right where you hear the sound. Who makes the sound? Don't forget. So pause it and then hit play when you're ready to see where the sound goes. Okay, so you're back. That means you have written the sound. Did you write it in the middle? Good. The sound is in the middle, made by O, and we code it with a brev. Now let's think of the beginning sound. K is by the letter C, and k at the end is made by the letter K. That was kind of tricky because they both have the same sound at the beginning and end, but made by different letters. Now we break it into its component parts. K. Now perform the word by reading it. Perform. Cook. Very good. Now this little bear, he what to the tree? He shook the tree. Okay, catch the word shook. Shook. Shh. Oh, that sounds like a digraph. Shh. What digraph goes? Shh. Now we hear the That's the phonics skill of the week. And then the final sound is k, k, k. All right, boys and girls. Now first, I want you to mark down the phonics skill, which is Where do you hear the sound? In the middle. Did you put your O in the middle? Now, can you code it for me, please? Did you put a brev on top? Very good. Now, what's that first sound? Shh. Who's it made by? What digraph? Do you remember that? Who makes the sh sound? Did you put sh? Good job. And the final sound? K, k. Yes, K. Now we break it into its component parts. Sh, k. Now perform the word shook. Very good. The little bear shook the tree. Now, on this one, I'm saying good job. Let's catch the word good. Go for it. Good. G, d. Now I want you to pause this video and put in the phonics skill first and then the beginning and ending sound. Hit play when you're ready to see if your answer is the same as mine. All right, so if you hit play, you have the word good written on your whiteboard. And did you code it and segment it into its component parts? Okay, let's see if you're right. So the first thing we did is figure out where the sound is in good. So g, d. I hear the sound in the middle. So I'm going to put my two o's there, and I'm going to code it with a brev because it makes the sound. Now, the beginning sound I hear is g, g, like in G, right? The letter G. I'm going to put that down. And then d, d is at the end, like in the letter D. I'm going to break my word into its component parts. G, d. Now perform the word by just reading it. Good. Very good. All right, boys and girls, you guys are going to hear me read this wonderful story. Let me move myself so I'm not in the way. I think right there. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight any of the words I see. Okay, so any word I see, I'm going to highlight it. Now, the first thing I notice is up at the top right here, I see a good cook, the title. I see the good has an sound, so I would put a box around that, and cook has the sound. I'm going to come down here and box my words or highlight them if I hear the sound or if I see it. So I see cook has one, the sound. I see look. I see good. And I see another good. Now I see an O here, but is that an sound? Is that No, it's t. Ooh. Oh, so the can sometimes make an ooh sound, but that's not my phonics skill that I'm working on this week. I'm working on the sound. Okay. So this is not one that gets highlighted. Now, I'm going to read this first page for you, okay, boys and girls, and all you have to do is just follow along with your finger so you can touch your screen and make sure you're listening and pointing at the same time. A good cook. When let me read that again. When a cook makes a dish, she likes to use fresh things. Every dish must look good. It must taste good too. How many of you like what she's eating? What the cook made? Some broccoli. That is very fresh and healthy for you. Okay, let's go to this next page. I'm going to highlight all the words I see. I see it in good, in cook. Here's cook again. And I'm going to come to this page over here as well. I see good. I see cook. I see but spoon. Ooh, is that No, so I will not highlight soon because that makes the ooh sound, and that's not my phonics skill. All right, I think we highlighted all the words, the words that make the sound. Let me read. Now, boys and girls, point as I read. A good cook can get a ripe lime. A ship will bring limes in a box. After that, a cook will buy them. A good cook can make bread. He will push and pull it. Soon he will bake it. When it is done, it will make a fine bite. Some fresh bread. That sounds delicious. Okay, I'm going to highlight all the words I see made by I see good. I see cook. Oh, I see hook, but I forgot to highlight it at the beginning. So go ahead and highlight hook once you see that in your seesaw. This will be your seesaw for Tuesday though. So hook is right there. Don't forget that one because Mrs. Anaya forgot it. Let me move myself out of the way up here. And I see good, cook, good, cook. I see another cook right there. Don't forget to highlight that one. I forgot that one. Again, so don't forget to highlight hook and cook as well. All right, I'm going to read this for you. I don't see any more words made by OO. A good cook can use fish. How many of you like fish? I do. A man must put a hook on a pole to get a fish. Then a cook will buy a fish. She will put it in a pan. It is a lot of work to be a cook. A good cook can get a lot of help. If a cook makes a good dish, then people will say, yum. All right, boys and girls, good job on phonics and listening. Don't forget that on Tuesday, highlight the word hook and cook, the ones I missed. All right, boys and girls, go and finish your slide deck work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.